Want to know how to sort or browse for products or items in Wish.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you simply open up your Wish.com website. And once you've done that, here you should be welcomed with this site right here. Now, once you're there, here, make sure you are logged in as well, so it should be easier. And on top you should be seeing various discoveries or filters that you make. So you can just simply hover on any one of these like trending, fashion, and you can just simply select it accordingly. So you can go from brands, from gadgets, home electronics, and much more. You can also see subcategories just like this. Now you can also sort by selecting this sort button right here. So I can just type in anything and it should come up just like this. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily sort up for items in Wish. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.